Kerela Thengai Saadham, coconut-flavored rice preparation for festival of Pongal in southern India. Ingredients: serves 3 to 4 person. Preparation: cooking time 30 minutes. Cook the rice in 5 cups of water until each grain of the rice is separate. Cut the cashew nuts into half pieces . Keep it aside. Cut the cashew nuts into half pieces and fry it in ghee until it's golden in color. Keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan and splutter the mustard seeds. Now, add Asafoetida Powder and the curry leaves. Add the black gram and dry red chillies halved and fry until it's golden in color. Now, add the grated coconut and the ginger paste into the above mixture and stir until the coconut becomes slightly brown. Mix the above mixture into the cooked rice . And add fried cashew nuts into it. Thengai Sadam is ready to serve.